we have to write in notebook the Roman.
You have to take out, yes, you have to take out the notebook also, you have to take out the textbook also. Be ready. Harsh Keshwani, you are playing with something. Harsh Keshwani, can you? Yes.
Ma'am, I am getting the pen.
Okay. Now please note, open your notebooks and write some basic Roman numbers if you have not written on the early that day. I am going to show you some basic Roman numbers. There
Yes,
are
I have
there.
written Roman numbers. You
Okay.
got me.
If you have written, then it's okay. If you have not written, please write some basic. There are 7 basic Roman numbers. 1 for I. रेस 1 का रोमन नंबर जो है वो आई है. 5 का रोमन नंबर वी है. 10 का रोमन नंबर एक्स है. 50 रोमन नंबर इज एल. 100 रोमन नंबर इज सी. 500 रोमन नंबर इज डी. 1000 रोमन नंबर इज एम. अगर आपको ये 7 रोमन नंबर्स आ जाते हैं, सो आपको पूरे रोमन नंबर्स चाहे वो कितने भी हों, आपको सबके रोमन नंबर्स बनाना आ जाएंगे. सो राइट दीज 7 बेसिक रोमन नंबर्स. Roman number of 1 is I, Roman number of 5 is V, Roman number of 10 is X, for 50 is L, for 100 is C, for 500 is D, and for 1000 is M. If you have written on in our last class, then no need to write it again. And if you have not written, as Arth Gujarati, don't take help from anyone. In your notebook, you need to write. If I see someone else is writing, I will not check your work. And you also, Mohammed, listen it. You only, every child has to write in their notebook by their own. No one else, you don't take the help from anyone. And please put your cameras on, everyone. Kia, Pragyan, Jignesh, please come back on your place.
Yeah, ma'am, I am there.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Right, these
ma'am, this we have to send you.
classwork, yes. Write these 7 basic Roman numbers. इन्हीं रोमन नंबर से बाकी के सारे रोमन नंबर्स बनते हैं. वो कैसे बनते हैं we will learn. So write fast.
Ma'am, I have written like this.
It's okay if you have written lengthwise, no problem. Good.
Ma'am, we have to written Roman numerals or Roman numbers. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am has stuck. Ma'am, we have to write Roman numerals or Roman.
Both are same thing. Roman numerals or Roman numbers means you, am I audible to everyone? Jignesh, I am audible now? Write fast, please.
Yes,
Write fast. Then we will make more Roman numbers with these given numbers.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I have written first Roman number and then I have written worksheet.
It's okay. Today open the new page and write this if you have not written this. Can I erase the first line?
No, ma'am.
Write fast. Arush Miani, your mic is open. Please mute it.
Ma'am, I'm saying that so I have to start new page. First I have written Roman numbers in one page and then two page I have written worksheet.
Then start with the new page.
Ma'am, what will be index?
Roman numerals. Now, children, one rule of writing Roman number is, one rule, listen this rule carefully. One rule of writing Roman number is, any Roman number will not be repeated. See, हमारे repeated Roman numbers कौन से होंगे? That I will tell you. Wait a minute. जो रोमन नंबर्स खाली रिपीट होते हैं इनमें से वो कौन कौन से हैं और इनका क्या रूल है? जो आई है वो रिपीट होता है, एक्स रिपीट होता है, सी रिपीट होता है और एम रिपीट होता है। दे 4 रोमन नंबर्स रिपीट होते हैं, बाकी के 7 में से बाकी के 3 रोमन नंबर्स रिपीट नहीं होते। गॉट इट? टिल नाउ हमने 7 बेसिक रोमन नंबर्स पढ़े। 7 में से ये रोमन नंबर्स रिपीट होके दूसरे रोमन नंबर्स बनाते हैं, पर बाकी के 3 रोमन नंबर्स जो इनमें से नहीं है, इनमें नहीं है, वो रोमन नंबर्स रिपीट नहीं होते। दीज रोमन नंबर्स ओनली कैन बी रिपीटेड। सेकेंड रूल ये है, अगर ये रोमन नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है तो वो 3 टाइम्स से ज्यादा रिपीट नहीं होगा। द नंबर रोमन नंबर विल नॉट बी रिपीटेड मोर देन 3 टाइम्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मुझे 3 लिखना है, सो आई विल राइट 3 लाइक दिस, 3 eyes. But if I write 4 with the 4 eyes, it will be wrong. It will not be repeated more than 3 times. So 4 अगर मुझे लिखना है, so I should know the Roman number of 5, और Roman number of 5 में से मुझे 1 माइनस करना है, so उसके लेफ्ट साइड में हम 1 लिखेंगे।
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, you just have to understand this now.
Ma'am, my first index is over just now.
Use the second then.
But ma'am, if the second will be over, then
I will tell you the alternatives. 4 का IV means V में से आपने -1 किया, और 5 you know V। अब 6 कैसे बनाएंगे? 6 को बनाने के लिए आपको 5 का रोमन नंबर आना चाहिए। 5 + 1 makes the 6. So if you know the 5 का रोमन नंबर, so when you right side में I लगाएंगे तो ये 6 बन जाएगा। 7 का रोमन नंबर 5 + 2 times I, right? So 5 के राइट साइड में 2I लगाएंगे तो 7 बनेगा। ऐसे ही 8 का रोमन नंबर, 5 का रोमन नंबर यू ऑलरेडी नो, 3 टाइम्स I जोड़ोगे तो 8 बनेगा। नाउ कम्स द रोमन नंबर ऑफ 9। अब रोमन नंबर ऑफ 9 तो अभी तक तो आपने कहीं नहीं पढ़ा। यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न द बेसिक 7 रोमन नंबर्स, बट यू नो द रोमन नंबर ऑफ 10 इज x। 10 का रोमन नंबर x है, तो 10 के लेफ्ट साइड में 1 I लगेगा, मींस फ्रॉम 10 यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 1 एंड यू मेकिंग इट 9। गॉट इट? देन कम्स द 10 का रोमन नंबर विल कम, दैट इज x। अब 11 बनाना है तो राइट साइड में जोड़ो, और माइनस करना है तो लेफ्ट साइड से माइनस होगा। गॉट इट?
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, I will give you a worksheet on this, or I will instruct you everything in the classroom what to do. Right now you just listen. Yes.
In the Roman numbers, up and down, we have to put line compulsory.
No compulsory. Let me take the attendance for a minute. Done. So 10 Roman number you know, that is x। 10 के 10 + 1 makes the 11। So आपको 10 का पता है, 1 का पता है, make it। Got it? Then comes the 12। 12 का भी ऐसे ही बनेगा। 12 means how you will make the 10 + 2 times I?
We have to write this.
My dear, I have to tell this to each and every child that you just have to listen this. No need to write it. X for 10 and 2 times I makes the 12. सेम इज फॉर 13 का भी ऐसे ही 3 टाइम्स आए ना 14. अब 14 कैसे बनेगा? क्या 4 टाइम्स आई आएगा इसके साथ? नो. 10 का आपको रोमन नंबर पता है, दैट इज एक्स, एंड यू नो द रोमन नंबर ऑफ 4 आल्सो, दैट इज IV. So 10 plus 4 makes the 14. So 10 Roman number you know, 4 Roman number you know, and write it. Basic 1 to 10 Roman numbers, if you know thoroughly, you can make the other Roman numbers easily. So I suggest you to learn the 1 to 10 Roman numbers, and you will learn other Roman numbers automatically. Basic, you know, you should know now 20 का Roman number क्या होता है, that is 2 times x. 30 का Roman numbers, that is 3 times x. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now 40 का Roman number will be 4 times x.
No, ma'am.
No. So
Ma'am,
how
can
we
I?
will... Yes, Dhwani.
XL.
Excellent. आपको
Yes,
50, you know the Roman number of 50, that is L. L के लेफ्ट साइड में आपने x किया, मींस 50 में से आपने -10 किया है, तो you got 40. Always remember लेफ्ट साइड में माइनस, राइट साइड में प्लस.
Yes.
अब प्लस
For 50 it's L.
yes, for 50 it is L. Mute yourself. And for 60 L
X.
के
LX.
L के राइट साइड में x. सो आपको मेन जो है वो बेसिक 7 रोमन नंबर्स याद रखने हैं. बेसिक 7 रोमन नंबर्स जो हमने पढ़े. नेक्स्ट ये आपको देखना है कि यही 4 रोमन नंबर्स जो है वो रिपीट होते हैं. थर्ड रूल आपको ये याद रखना है कि कोई भी रोमन नंबर 3 टाइम्स से ज्यादा रिपीट नहीं होता है. गॉट इट? एंड 1 to 10 रोमन नंबर्स इफ यू नो, 1 to 10 and 20 का 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 और 100 का रोमन अगर आपको पता है, so you can easily make the other Roman numbers. Got it, children? Now 80 तक आप बना लोगे because 80 for am I audible to everyone? 80
Yes,
Roman
ma'am.
number is 50 and 3 times x makes the 80. Now comes the Roman number of 90. What is the Roman number of 100?
D.
Just now we have
SCC. Sorry.
C में से -10 करेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड में x लगाएंगे तो -10 means this is 90. अगर यही x C के राइट साइड में जुड़ गया तो क्या होगा?
110.
110. Got it? So, and 100 का Roman number you know, that is C. So your today's home task, which I will put in the classroom also, that from 1 to 100, write Roman numbers in your notebook. And you have to write 1 to 100 Roman numbers and send me in the classroom. I will put in the classroom, then you do accordingly. Now we go to the next thing. Please open your textbook, page number 1. Page number 1. It's about the building bricks, chapter number 1. I will present my screen and I will show you. Jignesh will tell me. Jignesh, my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, what all the things we are going to learn in this chapter? First, we will discuss that. In this chapter, we will learn about 2D shapes and 3D shapes because the name of the chapter is bricks and the shape of the brick is cuboid shape. Cuboid shape comes from the 3D shape. So in this chapter, we will learn about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. We will learn about identify the shapes of a brick and recognize the shapes. We will learn about different shapes, different patterns of the bricks. We will learn about jalis and jarokhas. These are the new words for you. पर हम जब छोटे थे, when we used to live in the villages, हम गांव जाते थे तो we know about what are jalis and what are jarokhas. These are the ventilations. आप सुनते होंगे ventilation room में होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. तो अर्ली डेज पीपल यूज टू मेक लाइक छोटे छोटे बीच बीच में ईंटों को लगाना छोड़ देते थे. अगर कोई विंडो बनानी है, किसी चीज को कवर करनी है, तो वहां बीच में, आर यू ऑल एबल टू लिसन मी? यस. तो वहां वो बीच बीच में जालियां बना देते थे. आप अपनी बुक में भी देख सकते हो ऑन दी पेज नंबर 7 पर. पेज नंबर 7 पे ऊपर जो आपका फर्स्ट ब्रिक पैटर्न है वो इस तरीके से अरेंज है कि बीच बीच में स्पेस है. और पेज नंबर 6 में भी आप देख सकते हो जो बालकनी के पे जो बॉर्डर्स बने हुए हैं, देयर यू कैन सी द स्मॉल स्मॉल स्पेसेस इज लेफ्ट, राइट? दैट इज, दीज आर कॉल्ड जालीज. These are called jalis. और इनसे थोड़ा बड़ा, that is on page number 7, ब्लैक कलर से है, विंडो की साइज का होता है, that is जरोखा. किसकी साइज का होता है? विंडो की साइज का, ईंटों से बना हुआ होता है, that is called जरोखा, which is on page number 7. तो ये भी हम पढ़ेंगे डिटेल में, जरोखा हम कैसे बना सकते हैं, हम जाली के पैटर्न्स कैसे फ्लैट सरफेस पे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ऑब्जर्व एंड मेक ब्रिक पैटर्न्स ऑन फ्लोर एंड वॉल में हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स. कुछ सर्कुलर में होंगे, कुछ फ्लावर पैटर्न में होंगे, और कुछ ब्रिक बने हुए सब ब्रिक से ही हैं. और ब्रिक की हम लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट है, तो मीन्स इट्स अ 3D शेप. अंडरस्टैंडिंग मेकिंग ऑफ अ ब्रिक, कैसे बनती है ब्रिक, कहाँ बनती है, कैसे उसको बेक करते हैं. Place value and comparison, of which we have already done the Indian system. Making models of cube and cuboid. These all the things we will cover in this chapter. Now comes the next. These are some picture of monuments given here. The buildings are there, the old buildings. ये इसमें अलग अलग मटेरियल यूज हुआ होगा. कुछ टोटली ब्रिक से, जैसे आपने रेड फोर्ट देखा होगा, राइट? ये सब कुछ ओल्डन बिल्डिंग्स जो हैं वो ब्रिक्स से बनी हुई हैं. सो जस्ट टू शो यू कि ब्रिक्स कहाँ यूज हो रहे हैं. अदर मटेरियल, नॉट ओनली ब्रिक्स यहाँ खाली यूज हुआ है, दूसरा मटेरियल भी यूज हुआ है. सो सैंडस्टोन है, रॉक है, ग्रेनाइट, मार्बल. जैसे ताजमहल जो है वो कंप्लीटली मार्बल से बना हुआ है, व्हाइट मटेरियल से. एंड कुछ जगह ऐसी है, व्हेन यू, रेड फोर्ट है, ये सब किससे बने हुए हैं? ब्रिक से बने हुए हैं. Now come to the first page of your textbook. This is about the Jagrati school. Jagrati school में उनको ब्रिक से कुछ पैटर्न्स बनाने थे. तो वो कहाँ गए? Jagrati school wanted to make a brick pattern on the floor and wall. So they called Jamal, Kalu and PR. उनको बुलाया. और वो कौन थे? वो मैसन्स थे. मैसन कौन होते हैं? जो ब्रिक्स का काम करते हैं. आपके घर में भी देखा होगा, आपने कुछ वर्क करवाते हो, आप बिल्डिंग्स का या कुछ बनवाते हो, तो जो वर्कर्स आते हैं उनको मैसन्स कहते हैं. हाँ जी, बोलो. somebody wants to speak something? Can I start? Proceed. To get some new ideas from their school building, they visited the old town. अब पैटर्न्स अच्छे अच्छे उनको लेने थे, तो वो कहाँ गए? एक ओल्ड टाउन के उधर के देखने के लिए कि हम कौन कौन से पैटर्न्स अपने स्कूल में बना सकते हैं. And the old town of Murshid Ali Khan, वहां पर गए. This building has a big floor with 2000 brick patterns. इतने पैटर्न्स थे इसके अंदर, तो वो एक आइडिया लेने गए थे. And was made 3000 years ago का बनी हुई थी ये मुर्शिद अली खान की जो टॉम्ब है. Now when you open the next page of your textbook, you can see there are many images given for the patterns. आपके पेज नंबर 1 पे भी नीचे कुछ पैटर्न्स हैं. 1 and 2 पैटर्न्स इज ऑन पेज नंबर 1 and 3, 4, 5 इज ऑन पेज नंबर 2. इनमें से ना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच फ्लोर पैटर्न डू यू लाइक द मोस्ट. इसमें एवरी चाइल्ड आंसर विल बी डिफरेंट. क्यों? इट डिपेंड ऑन योर चॉइस. आपको कौन सा पैटर्न अच्छा लगता है. So whichever you like, write in the textbook and write in the chat box fast. आपको कौन सा पैटर्न अच्छा लग रहा है इन टोटल 6 पैटर्न्स में से, 5 पैटर्न्स में से? If I suggest, I from page number 1 पे भी 2 patterns are given here, and on page number 2 also some patterns are given. Choose any one pattern of your choice and tell me, ma'am, I like this pattern.
Ma'am, only from page number 1 and 2.
हाँ, only from 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, total 5 patterns are there. Jignesh, you told 2 and 4. Can you justify, can you tell us why you like the pattern number 4?
Because it's a shape, it's a nice shape and a nice design made in that.
Okay, the arrangement of the bricks is nice and you like that pattern. Okay, Arth Gujarati, there is number 9 is not there. Only 2 patterns and then A, B, C, D are on the next page. That is the next exercise. Okay, now go to the next. Write the pattern number you like the most in your textbook. If you, whichever the pattern you like, you write the number in your textbook. Have you seen such a pattern anywhere? आपने कहीं देखे हैं ऐसे? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं तो, अगर आपने देखे हैं?
Ma'am, in textbook we have to write with pen, na?
Yes, yeah, with pencil. In textbook with pencil. Now if I ask the same question from you, कि आपने कभी ऐसा पैटर्न देखा है किसी ने? Raise your hand. और देखा है तो कहाँ देख? Raise your virtual hand. और देखा है तो कहाँ देखा है? Viha had told me. Yes, Viha. Viha, tell me.
I have seen in Rajasthan there were very pretty patterns
With the
on
bricks,
the
yes.
building.
Yes. I also have seen in Rajasthan only. Now, if you have seen, so you write yes. If you have not seen, write no in your textbook. Go to the next page. Page number 3. There are some patterns given from A to K, right? From these patterns, if you observe each and every pattern, now first question is, which pattern is made in a circle? Who will tell me the answer?
J.
Yes, J pattern is in a circle pattern. And patterns you have already learned in grade 3 also. J is, so you write pattern J. Answer is pattern J. Next question is, in which pattern can you show a mirror half? Mirror half also you have learned in grade 3. Who will tell me what is mirror half? Who will tell me mirror half क्या होता है?
The half of the BEH.
Exactly same दिखता है जब overlap करते हो तो half. I will show you this what is mirror half. So I will play this
Now,
video.
Here we have to identify the floor pattern which is made in a circle. If you observe the patterns carefully, A to K, we see that pattern E and J somewhat look like a circle. But the pattern E has different other patterns within it. So if you observe carefully, pattern J is made exactly in a circle. Now next, draw a dotted line to show the pattern that forms a mirror half. What is a mirror half? Images which exactly overlap over each other when folded or looks like the same on both the halves. Okay, so that is known as a mirror half. So here if you observe, the pattern H shows or has a mirror half, and there is a dotted line drawn there which shows the exact other half of the image. And for the activity, you are going to draw and color 3 different flow patterns in your note. Next, let's have a look at few more examples of mirror images. You can see the pictures have been divided using a dotted line into 2 equal halves. So when you fold it, they'll exactly overlap each other. Now,
So now you know, children, which are mirror halves? Yes or no? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Jignesh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jignesh, am I
Yes,
audible to you?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are audible. Ma'am.
Am I audible now? Okay. So I was explaining you what were the mirror halves and how you will know the mirror halves exactly when these shapes overlap on each other. For example, heart का shape है, जब आप उसको बीच में से divide करोगे dotted line से, और if you see in the mirror, इसका आधा half आपको exactly same दिखेगा, right? Now we will learn about 2D and 3D shapes. As I already told you that in this chapter we will learn about the shapes also. So I want to show you one video based on 2D and 3D shapes, and I will send you a worksheet based on that also.
And 3D shapes. Children, you have learnt about plane and solid shapes in class 2. Let us now revise and consolidate our knowledge. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or a 2D shape. Square. A square has four sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has four vertices. Rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has four vertices. Triangle. A triangle has three sides. It has three vertices or corners. Circle. A circle has no vertex. It is a closed loop. It can be traced with a 1 rupee coin, carom coins, etc. Children, now let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth, and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Solids have faces, edges, and vertices. Some of the shapes of solids are: look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges. The point where three edges meet is called a vertex. A cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 6 faces. In the given figure, 3 faces are visible and 3 are hidden. Count the faces of your book. It has 6 faces. 1 front face, 1 back face, 1 top face, 1 bottom face, and 2 side faces. Look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cube. The die with which you play is a cube. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. Children, we have seen all the objects shown here in our daily life. All these objects have the shape of a cylinder. A cylinder has no vertices. It has 2 curved edges and 3 faces. One face of a cylinder is a curved face. 2 faces, that is the top and bottom of a cylinder, are flat. Children, now take a look at the shapes of the objects shown here. Each one of these objects has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has one curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. Children, now look at these familiar objects. All these objects have the shape of a cone. A cone has one vertex and it has one curved edge. It has 2 faces, one curved face and one flat face. All solid figures have 3 different views: top view, front view and side view.
So children, you all are clear with the shapes, 2D and 3D shapes? Yes, I have some shapes here with me. I call the name of the child. That child will tell me. Arush Miani.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush Miani, which shape is this?
Cube.
Cube. Riddhi, how many faces cube has?
6.
Jignesh, where are the faces? These top are the flat faces. How many? These are the flat faces, Jignesh, right? How many flat faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bottom is the 6. Okay. Now Vihan Vyas.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm confused in edge.
Yes, I will come on that. Vihan Vyas.
Yes, ma'am.
Vihan Vyas, what are the corner and vertices? See, word आपने एक vertex सुना होगा, vertices सुना होगा. Vertex होता है सिंगुलर के लिए. अगर एक ही कॉर्नर है तो vertex word यूज करेंगे. अगर बहुत सारे कॉर्नर्स हैं, इसमें कितने कॉर्नर्स हैं? How many corners in a cube?
5.
5 corners.
6.
How 6 corners? जहां पर ये edges आपकी मिलती है. एक ये देखो, ये कॉर्नर से ही ज्वाइंट हुआ है. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 कॉर्नर्स हैं. तो कॉर्नर्स को हम वर्टिसेस भी कहते हैं और प्लूरल वर्ड है क्योंकि ये 8 है. मोर देन 1 कॉर्नर्स है, इसीलिए हमने इसको वर्ड वर्टिसेस यूज किया है, वर्टेक्स नहीं. यस जिग्नेश.
Ma'am, edges are so that now that which the vertex made.
Yes. यहाँ पर जो वर्टेक्स आपका ज्वाइन कर रहा है 3 यहाँ पे एज को, तो वो दैट इज कॉल्ड, दीज आर दी एजेस. ये एज है. अब इसके अंदर कितनी एजेस हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 एजेस हैं इसके अंदर. सेम वे क्यूबॉइड में भी सेम होता है. 6 फेसेस, 8 कॉर्नर्स और 8 वर्टिसेस एंड 12 एजेस. सेम होता है, पर क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड का डिफरेंस ये है कि क्यूब जो है वो स्क्वायर शेप से बनता है एंड क्यूबॉइड विल बी फ्रॉम रेक्टेंगल शेप. गॉट इट? अ स्क्वायर के ऑल द साइड्स आर सेम, रेक्टेंगल के अपोजिट साइड्स आर सेम. Got it? Now come the next shape. Which shape is this? So cube and cuboid is done. Their edges, face, rectangles are shaped. This is in the cuboid shape. But this is not exactly the same we made, but this is, the box is in cuboid shape.
Yes.
So these are the corners or the vertices, edges, and these are the faces. Yes, Riddhi is showing. Very good, Riddhi. Riddhi is having a cuboid shape box.
Ma'am, if we close the laptop, it's also a cuboid.
Yes. Book also is in a cuboid shape. This is in which shape?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Now cylinder has how many faces?
3.
3 faces. One flat, 1, 2. Flat होते हैं, 2 flat होते हैं, एक
One
curved
curved.
होता है. Got it?
Yes.
1, 2 flat face, 1 curved face. अब इसके edges है. How many edges? 2 curved edges. ये रहे edges. 2
curved
curved. 1
edges.
curve here, 1 curve here. 2 curved edges होते हैं cylinder के लिए and no vertices. कहीं आपको straight line दिख रही है? No. So no vertices in cylinder. Next come the. This is what?
Sphere.
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 So sphere has how many faces?
Sphere.
Sphere को flat face होता है?
No. One curved face.
Sphere roll and slide दोनों कर सकता है?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. और
roll.
क्या cuboid roll, cube roll कर सकता है?
No.
It only will slide. It only will slide. अगर मैं ऊपर से इसको कहीं पर ऐसे फेंकूंगी तो it only will slide. It will not roll. Right? But this will roll. Ball will roll.
Yes.
Right?
Because ball is circle.
Yes. And
Ma'am.
how many faces?
Then same ball Hare is showing.
Yes, Hare is showing. Good, Hare.
There is no
So how many faces? 1 curved face. Face तो है ना इसका भी दिख रहा है ना?
face.
But curved है इसका face. And 0 vertices and 0 edges. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Try this activity at home and try to explore yourself practically, and I will send you the worksheet based on this. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.